How to change graphic settings for smooth gameplay in Doomsday Last Survivors. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If your gameplay feels a bit choppy, slow, or your device is heating up, then adjusting your graphic settings can make a huge difference. First of all, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, go to the bottom left and tap the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, select System Settings. Now you'll see the graphic quality option. If your device is old or laggy, you can go ahead and select this low option. Tap on the low option and keep your graphic quality to low. Keep the frame rate to low as well and enable this optimized mode and select low in it. Right after you change to these settings, you'll be able to fix the lag issue in the game. But if your device is high performing, then you can select high right next to graphics. For frame rate, you can go to mid or high option. Under optimized, select high. And right after you do that, you'll be able to get the best quality for the game. So that is how you'll be able to optimize or change your graphic setting for smooth gameplay in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.